Our second step is to create a SharePoint list. Before we can create a SharePoint list, we need to make sure that you have a SharePoint team site. A team site is something your IT department can create for you. Once they create the team site, it would look something like you're seeing on display here. Once you have the team site set up, you can click on this second icon called Add Lists, Libraries, and Other Apps. Once you get to this second screen here, we want to come to this second icon again called Custom List. What we are basically doing is creating our own custom SharePoint list. Once you click on that, we do need to give our list a name. So I am calling it Projects Directory, which is what we called it in our sample SharePoint list that was provided as a job aid. Over to the left-hand side here, you see that Projects Directory has been created, and it is listed as a subset under this item called Recent. What we're going to do is make this Projects Directory a little bit more of a permanent fixture on this quick launch screen. And the way we do that is click on Projects Directory, go to your settings, which is in the upper right-hand corner, go to Site Settings, then go to Site Administration here, click on Site Libraries and Lists, click on Customized Projects Directory, and then click on this very first bullet point that says List Name, Description, and Navigation. Down here, it's asking, SharePoint is asking us whether we want to display the list on Quick Launch, and we want to say yes. And when we save this, you'll see that the Projects Directory will be removed from being a subset under Recent and show up as its own item. And here it is. If we click on the Projects Directory, we will go back to our list. You can see that it's empty, but this is the third step, which is to set up the columns.